In this video, I'd like to show you one of my favorite new features in PHP 8, and that is Constructor Property Promotion. You probably have come across simple classes like this, where in a constructor you just accept some properties and you set them here on the object. Some might be public, some might be private. Even though there's no real functionality happening in this class, it takes a couple of lines. Before using promoted properties, let's try out and see if this class is valid. So I'm going to create a new one and I'm going to echo out A. The default is first, so I expect that we echo out first, and we do. Now let's convert the class to use promoted properties. I'm going to remove these properties. I'm going to remove the assignment here, and instead I can use public here and private. And by using these keywords, PHP knows that it should set these variables on the class itself. So this code behaves exactly the same as what you saw before. Let's execute it, and now we see first, so the class is still working. Let's do something else here, something else. So this is being passed, set as A, and here we read A. Let's execute again, and here we see something else. Personally, I would reformat the code like this for better readability. By using promoted properties, we saved a couple of lines here, which is very nice. Now I manually converted this class to use promoted properties, but if you're using an IDE like PHP Storm, it can do it for you. Let's revert the changes that I've made. So I'm going to go back to where we set the properties ourselves. And if we get the context menu here, then you see a new item here, convert to promoted property, and PHP Storm has done the work for us. Now there's no assignment here for A. And the code you see here is a good example of how you can mix and match promoted properties with regular ones. So here we're using a promoted property, and this is a regular one. Let's finish by converting this one as well. Reformat it a little bit. And our class is nice and clean again.